Shalom Chavrim. This is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration on how to use a free iOS app called PixnTell. It's located right over here. PixnTell can be used for Judaic instruction and for staff development. It invites the Judaic teacher or student to both place pictures that have Judaic themes and do recordings over those pictures for storytelling. Now, I'm making a couple assumptions. The first assumption of which is that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone, and you know how to download apps onto your iOS device. So if that is true, let me propose what we'll do. First, we'll show you the PixnTell movie that I created on the subject of Sukkot, and then I'll show you exactly how I made that movie. Okay, so you can do that for yourself and with your students. So the first thing we want to do is we want to click on where it says PixnTell, tap on it, so that we can open the application. Okay, so there it is. And here we have the first movie that we made. And I'll put the sound up a little higher just to be sure that you can hear it. Okay, so let's watch this brief movie as we click on the arrow.
Shalom Chavrim. This is Richard Solomon, and this is a demonstration on how a free iOS app called PixnTell can be used for Judaic instruction. With PixnTell, Judaic students and teachers can take any Judaic theme, in this case it's Sukkot, and upload pictures and record sound to those pictures. And obviously, in this case, we are sharing different pictures and different recordings regarding Sukkot.
Now let's see the next brief movie that we made. This is one about Sukkot on a book, so I'll click the arrow and you can hopefully hear what it says.
Now we see a sukkah on a boat. Do you see the sukkah on the boat? I hope so.
The third movie that we created was related to seeing a sukkah on a bicycle. So let's hear that one, and after I show you that one, I'll show you how I made this. Okay, so here's the sukkah on a bicycle. I'm going to click on the arrow so you can hear it.
This is a demonstration of how to use the free iOS app called PixnTell for storytelling. In this case, we are telling a story about different places where one can find a sukkah. In this first image, you see a sukkah that's on a bicycle.
Now, friends, I'm going to actually show you how I made this movie about Sukkot by using the PixnTell free iOS app. So let's get to the PixnTell app, okay? And let's go back to the original, and you see up here where it says Start a New Project. Okay, so we're going to click on Start a New Project. And we're not going to upgrade it. And the first thing we do is we can indicate that this is a demo. So let's click on that space over here and let's give it a name. Let's just call this demonstration. Okay? Demonstration. All right. Then we'll hit done. Done is located right over here. So let's do that. And then we see it says here, hit plus button to add photos. So let's hit the plus button and find a photo. And we have lots of choices, but the one we want to do is choose an existing photo from the photo roll. Okay, but you have other choices here, as you see. So let's go to the photo roll and choose existing photos. Okay, and let's say I want to choose a photo from here. Okay, so this would be a photo that's of a sukkah that's on a truck. So we click the photo that's on a truck up here, right? Let's just click on that or tap on that. And then when we see it's located over here, and then when we're done, we hit done. So let's hit done. And now we have a picture of a sukkah on a truck. And then what we want to do is hit next, okay, on the bottom. And what we can do, you see over here where it says, or shows you a picture of a microphone, right? And it says record. So let's hit this microphone. And it is recording right now. You could tell it's recording because you see it says recording over here. And let's just say this is a demonstration on how to use PixnTell for Judaic instruction. And when you're finished, you just hit the stop button, which is the one right over here. And you want to save it, you just click on the one, you see this icon for saving? Okay. And it's generating the photo frame, as you can see. And if you want to share it, you just click over here and you can share this. I'll show you where you can share it. You could share it on email, Facebook, YouTube, Dropbox, or Focus Train. Okay, but I'm not going to do that right now. All right, I will do it, apparently. So I'll send it to my email address, which is rdsolomon.phd. There it is. Hit send. It's hard to see, but the send button is right up here, and it's being sent. But what I want you to do, or what I'd like to do, is to have you hear what I just did. So I'm just going to click on this arrow over here, and you can hear what we just created. All right. Let's see if it works.
And it is recording right now. You could tell it's recording because you see it says recording over here. And let's just say this is a demonstration on how to use PixnTell for Judaic instruction. And when you're finished, you just hit the stop.
Okay, so what have we said? What we have said is that PixnTell is a free iOS storytelling app that can enable your pictures to be able to be converted into a video storytelling presentation. Thank you so much.